guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. So guys, this is a test drive video of Nexa XL6 and it's a 1.5 liter petrol engine, as I said in the walk around video. So let's go to test drive. So this is automatic gearbox. Now in the drive mode, this is front wheel drive, 3500 rpm at the first gear at 40 speed, and this is very refined engine. So it's a body on frame car, we can say, and it's getting a completely roll on frame. So this is front wheel drive, and so see the performance of the vehicle, very nice, and same engine taken from the S-Cross and is in the XL6. So this is 103 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and 138 Newton meters of torque, obviously from the 4400 rpm, and it's a 1468cc engine. So it's a front wheel drive, and you get also in a two wheel drive of option in the automatic, and this is a 4-speed and automatic gearbox, and you get in a 5-speed manual gearbox also, but only you get in the petrol variant because diesel engines are removed from all the Suzuki vehicles. So this is 1.5 liter of petrol engine, and comfort level is very nice, and compared to driver position, the second row position is very nice. I will show you that. So friends, this is a XL6 and I am sitting in the second row, and I like the second row comfort levels. See the performance of shock absorber in the second row and height of the second row. Headroom is massive enough, and the view from the second row is very nice, and it's a splitted seats at the middle row, split seats. So it's a XL, and six persons can easily sit in this vehicle, but I like the second row level comfort levels, and cushion is very nice on offer, leather seats, and armrest at the center also very nice with the twin armrest, and the no cup holders on offer. So this is the XL6 performance in the second row. I'm impressed very much compared to driver position. This co-passenger and this second middle row is very nice. Easily we can travel for a long journey, and see the level of comforts and height of the view, and framing windows are large enough. Interior is airy feeling at the second row, and obviously all the windows are large enough. So this is a perfect vehicle of luxurious car, I can say. So second row is decent, knee room is massive, headroom is massive, under support is also massive enough. So I'm impressed very lot. I'm giving second row out of 10 out of 9 to this second row, and AC vents at the top, and see the level of comfort. Shock absorbers are very good performing, and suspension is very smooth on offer. This is the third row of XL6. So comfort is very nice in this MUV variant. So compared to older generation of Ertiga, this is XL6 is completely advanced, I can say. So this seat is completely pushed towards me, and see the knee room is massive, I can say. I mean, not a massive, but better than compared to all the MUV cars, and headroom is also massive. Under the support is some lacking, nothing much difference, and elders and adults also easily we can travel to the long journeys from these third row seats. 2 passengers easily we can sit, and AC is completely towards the third row is coming, and massive enough of the 4 AC vents at the middle center. So there is no AC vents at the third row, only center as a AC vents, twin, I mean 4 AC vents. So holder on offer with cup holder. So comfort is very nice, cushion is very nice. So easily we can travel to the long journeys also in the third row. So this is perfect car, I can say, in Nexa vehicles. And let's go to drive and see. And turning radius is shorter than the S-Cross, I don't know why. 5.2 meters of XL6 as given from the Nexa. So view is very nice, and coming to the mileage of the vehicle, it gives around 17 kilometers per liter. 1 liter is lesser than the S-Cross, and 17 kilometers per liter, and the fuel capacity of the vehicle is 45 liters of fuel capacity, massive enough. Again 3 liters decrease from the S-Cross, but compared to S-Cross and this, nothing much difference, only some features are missing out. This is MUV variant, and that is XUV type based on variant, and this is MUV, and it's a 6-seater, and that is in the 5-seater. And compared to all the ratios, S-Cross is better, I can say, because of comparing ratio, tire profile, and mileage, pickup, etc. So comparing ratio of these XL6 is 10:5:1. So, and the 4 cylinders per each valve, 4 valves per each cylinder, at 1468cc engine, 1.5 liter petrol engine. But cabin is very nice, and shock absorbers are good performing, suspension is very nice, horn is decent, and steering is smaller side to handle, so it's got a sporty feel like a sports car. And bottom is flat at the steering. So this is a body on frame car, so we can feel that body on frame while turning the radius, and steering feel and feedback is very nice. So steering is better than compared to all the MUV variants, and Suzuki vehicles is always number one, we can say. And firstly it was in the Ertiga as name of new generation of facelift, and now it has become of Nexa XL6. So comforts are very nice compared to driver position. Second row position is very nice. I have enjoyed a very lot of that, and tire profile is also very nice. 15 inches tires, massive enough, and so easily this is you can travel for a long drives, and city rides also easily you can maneuver it the vehicle. And so nothing much difference of MUV variants. So it's a all new facelift BS6 of XL6. So XL6 and BS6 are confusing. So brakes are too good performing. Front as a disc, as a solid disc brake as set from the Nexa, and rear as a drum brakes. Brakes are too good on offer. So the balancing of the braking is very nice on offer. So it's a smooth handling of braking, we can say, and steering is also very nice. So no stress feeling of driving at the longer position. Power of the vehicle is very nice. And coming to, let's change the gear. So let's change the gear to the 2-wheel drive mode. So now I have the change, and we can feel the gear shifting of automatic. So its transmission is giving us some, we can feel the jerk of the changing the gears on that automatic. So in 2-wheel drive the vehicle is some lacking, and so the in 2-wheel drive also very nice performing of this vehicle, and giving us harder throttle is nice. Transmission sound is some slightest harder, and nothing much difference. Shock absorbers are nice performing, suspension is very nice. 6 people can easily travel for a long journeys and comfortably. So this is a test drive review of XL6 all new BS6 vehicle facelift. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.